Well, me and Lindsay overdid it yesterday, got burnt to fuck and just died.
I'm exhausted. My body's like, I'm very tired. I'm chilling today.
Every definition of the word burnt. So we're just hitting the little Sev, getting some breakfast and juice, probably eggs.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Shout out Donnie, I got the coffee boss. And this is Imizu or whatever. It's okay. It's just kind of like a standard fruit juice. Kiwi soda. Now we're doing kiwi soda. I'm not even like a soda drinker really, but yeah, I'm down. No shit. Police? Yeah, okay, now I'm police. Lindsay decided she would be a legend and go down to the onsen and like do the laundry, but like simultaneously chill in the onsen while it's being done. I couldn't take our room being super humid, so I decided, let me go out, find somewhere with like air conditioning that I can chill. And the only place I could really think of for that is the Sukiya, the little fast food kind of place we were at. The other angle just to show off the Jirachi drip. Oh, there it is. So sick. Well, Sukiya. Mata atta ne. I ended up just getting a beer and a tender chicken because I've already had their beef. I want to see what that's all about. And of course, you get like a complimentary tea, water, whatever. It's like watered tea.
Water, tea.
And they call that a perfect pour. And in no time at all, I've already received the chicken. It's got good flavor and it's cooked well, but it kind of tastes just like chicken sitting in some kind of broth. And just like that, I have a whole place to myself. Gross. It's actually very good. Alright, Lindsay's doing laundry, but she needs more 100 yens, and I got a 500. I'm trying to help her out here. Alright, Lindsay, I'm coming to save you. Got some 100 yens. It's cute. Alright, anyway, back to mission time. So what I did was I hit a vending machine, I hit another vending machine. Now I have 6 100 yen coins to give her. I also have coffee and a tea, which she might want. The appa was like up here, and so yeah, I'll be there in like 2 seconds. Crisis avoided, I met up with Lindsay pretty quick. So now I'm just sitting in the room because I had to take a leak. Got myself some more of my jasmine tea. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I think she's gonna take like 10 more minutes. So I might just go next door and get a beer. No parking, and if it was unclear, like bicycle parking prohibited, meaning even electric bikes and scooters. Okay. Steve Lewitowitz being given them the kids. Looks like we already missed sunset. Oh!
That's tomorrow.
Sick. I kind of called it. What? Drunk tacos? Okinawan taco. My little shop man Tom. Alright. Okinawan handmade accessories? Like, look at this jewelry. Show off your new beautiful jewelry that you got.
Oh my god, babe, they're beautiful.
These are Okinawan handcrafted using hotol. I don't know what hotol was. It was like a gemstone found around here or something. Look at this outfit she's wearing. Damn, I'm marrying this woman. Fuck yeah. Strawberry Calpis candy snacks? I'm not sure. Japanese Doritos. Rest in peace shrinkflation. This is a full ass bag. Smells like Dorito.
How is it?
Like you can taste like the salsa, the meat.
Oh wow.
The lettuce. Oh my god, mother. Oh, shout out my man Chris. I'm in Japan, but this is his fucking, that's his whole wardrobe. Oh. They know.
So good.
Daisuke. Drake is getting dissed in Japan. In Okinawa. Bitch, change your tire, trying to make a chord, and it's probably A minor. We're out here on Kokusaidori, and I'm buying Lindsay like a bunch of shit. Lindsay got 2 jackets because they had a like a buy one get one deal.
I got a Patagonia jacket, which is insane because they're very expensive. And the buy one get one free is this beautiful purple jacket. Like, yeah, I can't really explain it, but it's awesome.
This like parka thing, hard to explain, but it's kind of like a windbreaker. Purple. It's very cute. Another ATM transaction where they can see me, and I'm like, solid. All right, Lindsay seems to know something about this. Can you tell us about this, Lindsay?
So it's like, they take out like the venom, obviously, but it's an alcohol with a snake in it. Other than that, I really don't know too much, but they're really cool looking, and yeah. I'm just happy I wanted to see this in person. Yeah, I've read about this.
Okay, that is something I didn't know much about, but
I was like, what? I'm like,
that's like an albino?
yeah. No, Okinawa.
You got the maid cafe, and on top of the maid cafe, you have a picture of their average user. I don't think they sell the Jerkish. Wait, that literally says timeout. So this isn't what you think it is, but it's okay because it's fine.
Tastes great. We'll have to see what the effects are like, but it tastes amazing. Amazing. It's amazing.
Tastes like a Delta 8 kind of J.
The guy was like, no, too strong, put you to sleep. I'm like, no, we're good. We want that, and it's not gonna put us to sleep.
Well, Okinawa's
Lit.
sick.
Big fan of Okinawa.
Shout out Okinawa Kokusaidori. We both have to pee, so when in doubt, look for the golden arches. Dude, even the McDonald's has, I think they're like dragons, lions. I saw a bus earlier that had Growlithe, and Growlithe is like legendary pups. Oh, this cube of a light is so... I've never been to a club, ever.
I have,
And,
but they've sucked. But this one looks pretty awesome.
Alright, so this is the club. Little foods. We also get as many drinks as we want and are allowed to leave and exit whenever the fuck we want, however many times we want. That's all the strobes and lights. Looks like this is the darts room. He also said that was for free. So this is the digs here. I guess this is the thing. Is this? Alright, hold up. It's free. So, alright, not lying, I'm very overwhelmed with this situation.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
They not like us.
Yo, fuck Drake. He's a bitch. Yeah. This one goes out to all my boys in Detroit. Fuck you know about my man Deeves. Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity, seize everything you've ever wanted. One more. Would you capture it? Or just let it slip? Yeah. Arms sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. Father don't sweat it already. Mom's spaghetti is nervous. On the surface was calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting when he rolled down. The whole crowd goes so loud.
Motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I'll bees in the trap, bees in the trap, bees in the trap. Hey,
Damn, what they say about me? I don't know, man. I'm shitting on your whole life. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the
make you happier now.
I love you, baby.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much.
I love you more.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, hey.
More than a feeling, that's the power of love. Make a bad one good, make a bad one right. Power of love that keeps you home at night.
Sing, girl.
Don't need money, don't take fame. Don't need no credit card to ride this train. It's strong and it's sudden and it's cool at times. I'm going to save your life. That's the power of love.
It starts with one thing, and I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, that design's trying to explain through time. All I know, time is the valuable thing. Watch fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch countdown to the end of the day. Watch it climb away. It's so just look out below. Watch time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, but didn't even know. Wasted it all just to watch you go. Grab everything inside, even though I tried. It all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
If you want my future, come on my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your life together, we could be just fine. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. I really, really, really want. I'm gonna be hasty. I'll give you a try. If you really bug me, then I'll say goodbye. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta not to bed. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is. So here's the story from A to Z. You wanna get with me, you gotta listen carefully. You got every man that plays who likes it in your face. You got T like Etsy, who likes it orange. Easy D doesn't come for free. She's a real lady, and as for me, you'll see. Just everybody down and wings it all around. Just everybody down and wings it all around. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends.
Alright, we're not the only ones singing. Hey, hi everybody. So we're getting slammed, and we're also doing karaoke. It's very fun.
That's amazing. Yeah, I definitely would have never picked. I never thought this would have ever happened in my life. So it's awesome.
And this is our competition. Oh yeah, weird pizza review. It's kind of like soggy dough with cheese on it, and a little bit of seasoning. So fucking sick, bro. Hell yeah. We got mad beer. Hey, so this is my friend now.
Shabi.
Shabi.
Hi. Kanpai. 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 Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You take over.
新しい友達ね。
He's awesome.
Kanpai! Kanpai! Hey!
Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling.
Rinji.
That's my name in Japanese. Linji.
Rinji.
Linji.
Rinji.
This is amazing. How do you say Shabi is cool again?
But Shabi kakui.
Shabi kakui. Shabi. He's going pee. Shabi, what's he doing? Kyle and Shabi, our friend, we're in Don Quixote. He's fast. Kyle, he must be younger than us. Oh, what an adventure night.
We're following man Japanese through the Don Quixote. He said something about papers. Man's fucking cool. So cool. Alright, so we're just making our way to fucking Man Tom. This is exactly where I want to be. Fucking right, dude. Yo, my man Tom, what the fuck? What in the fuck? Yo.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got that.
Bro. Bro. So sick. What the fuck? I'm not gonna explain what's going on, but like, yeah. Fucking cool. Bro, I'm out here on top of some shit. Just doing whatever the fuck I want. It's crazy. What in the fucking bullshit? I'm on top of some kind of hotel or whatever. This is stuff that I randomly stumbled into. Dude, what the fuck is with...
Kyle, this one looks like a forest. Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm in Okinawa, Japan right now, with my fiance, and we met this wonderful guy named Shabi. And we're at a family mart, kind of like a 7-Eleven. Very cool, but like extra shit, like wireless and cool stuff, and like Hello fucking Kitty. This is the first time I'm trying chicken in Japan. In Family Mart.
This is actually the best.
Thick. What? No. Pretty much everything I've eaten in this entire country has been delicious. Damn you, it's so good.
Just whatever the fuck this video is, no one cares. It's gonna be like shitty quality. Whatever.
Guess what? I did the laundry early today and he started drinking. So we know he's like LAP's drunk right now. And he's still carrying himself.
Where's that sandwich?
The baked goods are very good. Wow, that's horrible. The baked goods are delicious. Or no, the baked goods are very good. I haven't had it yet, but I know it's good because I've had it before. We're in Japan, and I'm hot as shit. And I don't even know. Yeah. I just noticed it's like Philadelphia,
This is cool as fuck.
but like bizarre Philadelphia because it's like a city, but it's fucking amazing. And fuck yeah. I just took my first bite of the croissant, and there's literally like custardy cream inside of it. It's absolutely delicious. Like, dear God. Yeah, get your review.
No, that's pretty much a fucking Danish.
Oh, bomb.
Also, this is knockoff
almost
Bacardi
like-
Sweat.
Reminds
Really
me
good.
of mashies. The consistency of mashed potatoes.
Let's just film the prostitute situation.